Hi friends, I'm Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida, and host of Florida Gardening, heard Sundays on 970 WFLA AM Tampa Bay. Today, we're going to talk about an easy way to break up hard soils in the garden. Well, one of the easiest ways that I can think of is by using a tiller, and that's the only tool you're going to have today. With a tiller, the tiller has these sharp tines on the end of the tiller, and as you move this through the garden, the tiller will actually break up that hard surface to allow moisture and fertilizers to reach down to the plant's root system. Now, it's very important when using a tiller, or especially even a motorized tiller, that you be careful that you might hit sprinkler lines or power cables or even phone cables. With a handheld tiller, you really don't have to worry about that. With this, you can just work right through the garden and eliminate those hard surfaces within the garden. Let's go outside and take a look at how we can go ahead and break up some hard surfaces in the garden and allow that penetration of your moisture and fertilizers for the garden. We're going to go outside. I'm going to run you through a quick, easy way to go ahead and do that. When we go outside, I'm going to go ahead and take the tiller and I'm going to run it right down the sides of all my plants, being sure not to get too close because we don't want to cut the individual plant root system. Then we're going to go back and forth across the whole area to make sure that we break up that soil very good. Remember, when you first run your tiller through, you're only going to break it up to maybe an inch or inch and a half. The second time you run through, it'll break it up a little deeper and pull out any rocks or things that might be in the ground. Also, it's going to cut up any of the weeds or any maybe grasses that may be growing into your flower beds as well, and it'll make it very easy for you to go ahead and pick those out. Well, I hope you learned a lot today about breaking up those hard garden soils. And remember, the easy way to do it with just a regular hand tiller versus going out and having to purchase any motorized equipment. I'm Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida, hoping this helps you make your garden grow.